The Owen James Report is brought to you by
Let Lasco MoneyGram take you to Brazil. Visit lascojamaica.com for details. Conditions apply. Tell your loved ones overseas to send your money transfer with MoneyGram, and you could win thousands of prizes, including a trip to Brazil in 2014. Between August 15 and December 31, pick up your money at a Lasco MoneyGram location, and you could win the grand prize of an all-expense-paid trip for two to Brazil, or one of 20 Lasco baskets, or one of 80 prizes of $200 Digicel credits weekly. Plus, you could double your money transfers for the month up to $50,000. Let Lasco MoneyGram take you to Brazil. Visit lascojamaica.com for details. Conditions apply.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Latest official data showed that the inflation rate for the calendar year 2013 was 9.7%, or 1.7 percentage points higher than the previous year. Now, that's just within the Bank of Jamaica's forecast for the range of inflation for the fiscal year of within a band of 8.5 to 10.5%. According to the Statistical Institute, inflation increased by 0.6% in December. Now, transport played a major role in the jump in inflation in 2013, as that category increased by 20.4%, mainly due to increased bus fares in September. Now, last year, the division showing the lowest price movement was communication, which declined by 4.2%. In December, consistent with the Christmas period, food and non-alcoholic beverages showed the highest increase, going up by 0.5%. News on the Jamaican stock market now, where gains by Scotia Group, Lime and NCB mainly triggered advances in the indices. The main JC index advanced by 386 points, or 0.5%. 29 stocks traded, with 16 advancing, 9 declining and 4 holding firm. Scotia Group accounted for 68% of the 6 million shares traded. Winners included Consolidated Bakeries or Purity, Grace Kennedy, JMMB, Lime, Lasco Financial Services, NCB, Sagicor Group Jamaica and Scotia Group. The losers included Blue Power, Caribbean Cement, DNG, Seprod and Supreme Ventures. Amid strong demand for foreign exchange, the commercial banks and other licensed financial companies bought $21 million but sold 24 million. In actual trading, the benchmark American dollar strengthened by 7 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $106.83. However, both the Canadian dollar and the British pound weakened. The Canadian dollar lost 58 Jamaican cents to close at $98.03, while sterling declined by 75 cents, closing at $175.20. Finally, on the international scene, the World Bank this week raised its forecast for global growth for the first time in 3 years. So what triggered this change in forecast? Well, it's growth in advanced economies led by the United States, suggesting that the world economy is finally breaking free from a long and sluggish recovery after the global financial crisis of 2008. The World Bank, by its half-yearly forecast, Global Economic Prospects, is projecting that global gross domestic product will expand by 3.2% this year, from 2.4% in 2013. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
Let Lasco MoneyGram take you to Brazil. Visit lascojamaica.com for details. Conditions apply.